Hi there, and welcome to syncX, Stock Sync. You can update or add status to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select status from the store product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. To set a fixed value for all products, click Fixed Value and select the desired value. For the status smart settings, you can set active, draft, and archived indicators. This feature allows you to specify your own indicator from the feed file. For example, your file could be using available, not available, and removed as the indicators. By default, the indicators will use active, draft and archived as the values. You can use any value according to your feed file. Replace the value here as your feed file, which is available, not available, and removed. You can also skip updates when the feed value is blank. Note that a value of 0 is not considered blank. Once you are ready, click on Next and all changes will be saved.